Overview. Porsche imbues every one of its vehicles, including SUVs like the 2024 Cayenne, with a fun-to-drive quality that is hard for competitors to match. Porsche draws on its decades-long tradition of producing sports cars. The Cayenne's carefully tuned chassis allows it to handle curves like a midsize SUV even though it is. It is also fast, especially when equipped with one of its high-output powertrains, which include a twin-turbo V8 and a plug-in hybrid that are also available. With a smooth ride, a quiet cabin, and a ton of tech and convenience features, Porsche's biggest SUV is also opulent. The Cayenne has plenty of agility to please its driver and lots Porsche capacity for passengers and goods, even though it may not exceed a 911 turbo in terms of performance. Updates for 2024. This year, the Cayenne receives a little stylistic update. The outward changes need a sharp eye, but the Cayenne receives an interior redesign that includes a new steering wheel borrowed from the 911 sports vehicle, a new toggle-style shift lever positioned on the dashboard, and additional digital space on the dashboard. Porsche has also improved every aspect of its performance. The e-hybrid increases 9 horsepower, while the standard model obtains 13 more than before. The most significant improvement is made to the S variant, which trades in its twin-turbo 2.9-liter V6 for a 468 horsepower twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8. Interior. The 2024 Cayenne's interior features a revised dashboard with additional displays and a style influenced by the Taycan EV car. The 911 sports car's steering wheel has been installed in lieu of the SUVs, and the instrument cluster is now all digital. The center console storage nook may now be found there, thanks to the toggle shifter that is installed on the dashboard. Inside the Cayenne, Porsche essentially offers customers a blank canvas to decorate however they see fit. Everything may be customized, almost always at a significant additional expense, including the surface materials, seatbelt colors, and interior trim. The Cayenne provides enticing improvements like more supportive seats, massaging front seats, and 4-zone temperature control in addition to conventional choices like heated and ventilated front and rear seats, for example. The Porsche only has 2 rows, compared to competitors like the Audi Q3 and Volvo XC90, but at least the Cayenne's back seat is flexible and offers enough of room for stretching out. With a far larger luggage volume and enough passenger capacity than any 911, the Cayenne entices Porsche fans. The front passenger and driver of the Cayenne look at a wall of digital gauges that runs the whole length of the dashboard. A 12.3-inch touchscreen in the middle supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A second 10.9-inch display for the front passenger is located to its right and, according to Porsche, can be used to stream videos because it has a safety function that obscures it from the driver's view. Behind the steering wheel, there is a dedicated 12.6-inch screen for the driver that displays information such as the trip computer, tachometer, and vehicle speed. Engine. Porsche offers a variety of Cayenne configuration options, starting with a 3.0-liter V6 turbocharger with 348 horsepower. For a total of 463 horsepower, the plug-in hybrid combines an electric motor and a turbocharged V6. A 468 horsepower twin-turbo V8 with a fantastic exhaust note and amazing acceleration powers the Cayenne S. Porsche hasn't officially announced the GTS trim at the top of the range yet, but we anticipate it will have even more power. An intelligent 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive go hand in hand with all engines. Even though it's difficult to make something that weighs more than 2 tons move beautifully, the Cayenne's engineers in Stuttgart were successful. We had a chance to try a prototype, and it was every bit as graceful and athletic as the design from the previous year. All Cayenne models now come standard with adaptive dampers, and the majority of trims will offer extra performance options, such as air suspension that can be adjusted, 4-wheel steering for better agility, and active anti-roll bars for flatter cornering. We'll update this article with further information whenever we have an opportunity to test drive a production model of the 2024 Cayenne and learn more about its performance capabilities. Fuel consumption. Although the EPA hasn't yet released fuel economy estimates for the 2024 Cayenne, we don't anticipate significant changes in this metric for the base model despite its increased power. With the turbocharged V6 engine, the 2023 Cayenne was rated for 17 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. The new model will likely stick closely to those ratings. When we have a chance, we'll test the new Cayenne's fuel economy on our 75 miles per hour highway test route and update this article with the findings.